Today, I'll show you how to set up debug mode in Google Analytics 4 so you can clearly see what data is being sent from your website and troubleshoot any tracking issues more confidently. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on debug mode using a simple browser extension. First, make sure you're using the Chrome browser on your computer because this method relies on a Chrome extension. If you're using a different browser, you'll need to switch to Chrome for this setup. Once you're in Chrome, the first thing you'll do is install the Google Analytics Debugger extension. To do that, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the top left of the store page, type Google Analytics Debugger. You're looking for the official extension with that exact name. When you find it, click on it to open the extension's details page. Here, you'll see a description, screenshots, and user reviews. On the right side, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button, and when Chrome asks you to confirm, click Add Extension. After a moment, Chrome will install the extension, and you should see a confirmation message. The extension icon will usually appear in the top right corner of your browser, near the address bar. If you don't see it right away, click the small puzzle piece icon to open your list of extensions, then pin the Google Analytics Debugger so it's easy to access in the toolbar. Now that the extension is installed, the next step is to turn it on. Navigate to the website you want to debug. With your site open in a tab, move your cursor to the top right of Chrome and click the Google Analytics Debugger icon. When you click it, it should toggle from off to on. Many versions of the extension will show a small visual change, such as a color change or a label indicating that it's active. What this toggle does behind the scenes is tell the extension to start listening to Google Analytics tracking calls on the page. When it's on, it will send detailed information about those hits to the browser's console, which is where you can read exactly what's being sent to Google Analytics 4. Once the extension is turned on, you need to refresh your website so that the debugger can capture everything from the moment the page loads. Click the refresh button in your browser or press the refresh shortcut on your keyboard. When the page reloads, any Google Analytics 4 events and page views that fire will now be logged with extra debug details. At this point, if you open Chrome's developer tools and look at the console, you'll see the debug output from the extension. This is where you can verify that your measurement ID is correct, confirm that events are firing as expected, and spot any obvious issues with your GA4 setup. That's all you need to enable debug mode in Google Analytics 4 with the Chrome extension. Install the Google Analytics Debugger, toggle it on in your browser, then refresh your website to start capturing debug data.